Companies are ready to embed circular practices, but how can they get going? What 3 areas will be good starting point? Well, today over 95% of shipping's carbon emissions are occurring during the operations phase, during fuel combustion, basically. However, going forward, the industry will take into account the whole life cycle of the building of the ship. This will mean not only taking into account the impact of the raw materials, especially steel for a ship, but also all the different components coming into the design of a ship, but also the building processes until the recycling. This is the reason why circular economy principles should be built into every stage of the ship life cycle, from design to construction and from operation to recycling. A good way to start is by reducing and reusing materials during the ship design. And this can be done using the life cycle assessment solution from Dassault Systèmes in order to assess different scenarios at the early concept stage. Another quick impactful solution is to demonstrate the lifetime extension of your asset. And this can be done also using the Dassault Systèmes LCA solution. We see more and more ship owners facing the pressure from charterers to always operate clean ships. However, sometimes it is wiser to demonstrate and to show that you can extend the lifetime of your asset rather than scrapping it too early. Finally, leveraging predictive maintenance with IoT solution allows the ship owner to always operate the ship at its optimal condition.